Alright guys, I'm getting ready to hit up this creek kind of in suburbia, North Carolina. It's actually in a park, and it's got a lot of nice brim bass in it, catfish, channel cats. But it's got some decent bass in it, some nice sized brim if you can hit it right. Going after mainly with this Daiwa spinning reel and this Rapala, I think it's a number 5, it might be a 7. And my other rod, I'm going to have a Beetle Spin, a 1 32nd ounce Beetle Spin. But anyway, it's about a 30-minute hike down there, 30-minute hike back, and hopefully I'll catch some fish. Hopefully I had a good video for you with some nice fish. But anyway, I will see you soon. Fish on. Red breast. Fish on again. That's just a regular brim. It's not a red breast. Alright, see you later. Oh good, fish on. Fish on. Oh God, are you gonna break me off? On camera. Oh, that's what we're talking about. First cast. First cast, got me a little nice creek bass on the old Rapala. Can't beat that. Alright, we're gonna let him go. Fish on. See what you got. Mr. Mudcat. Come on, a Beetle Spin. Mr. Brown Bullhead. Alright, put it back. Alright, oh God. That's a nice creek bass. Trip again. Ooh. Don't come off. Come on. That's almost a nice creek bass on the old Rapala. He's probably get 12 inches long. Alright, let's let him go. Fish on, another bass. This one hit it right at me. Ooh. Oh God. I wasn't even paying attention then. All right, come here, Mr. Little Bass. All right. No. Ain't bad. Dang, he's hooked good. He wasn't coming off. He's hooked behind the gill plate and the thing. Dang, he was hooked. Come that little Rapala right there. Alright guys, this is what I've mostly used today, is that right there. This Rapala. Let's see. Kind of twitch it first a couple of times. And then I reel it in, pause it, reel it in, pause it. Fish on, guys. Oh, big fish on, guys. Oh God, no, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. Oh shit. Oh God, come out. Don't do it. Oh God. Don't do it. Ah. All right, come on. Oh, right, come on. My line's probably so frayed. About ready to get struck by lightning. Oh God, don't do it. Oh, that's a big creek bass. That's a big creek bass. He'll go 3 pounds, 3.5 pounds. It's lightning, thundering. They caught that big old bass in this creek. All right guys, there's a big creek bass for you. I think we gotta hit the road because it is lightning and thundering. But we used Rapalas, small little Rapalas and Beetle Spins today. And didn't catch many Bream, but caught about 5 bass, but all of them smaller than this, but all good little size ones. All right, let's let them go. Right there on them.